Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this popular zoom and shake like After Effects only in CapCut. So if you want to create that professional zoom and shake effect only using CapCut, this easy step-by-step tutorial will show you how you can achieve that dynamic high energy look in just minutes. So what you need to do is just add photo or videos into CapCut and also add the songs that you want. So here I'm going to add the songs first. Okay, so I already add the song. Now you can just add the beats to the song. You can click on the song and go to the beats, and I'm going to just auto generate it. Okay, after you add the beats, you can just click on a check icon, and now you can match the I'm going to just go with the second photo, match it with the beat, just like this. And now after you do that, you can click on the photos or videos and go to speed. You can adjust the speed first, but since this is photo, I cannot do that, so I'm going to just leave it as it is. And now let's make the zoom effect. You can just add two keyframes, one at the start and the other one at the end, and add a second keyframe. Just zoom in like this. Okay, after that you can add some grab. Click on a grab here, choose the linear and adjust it. I'm going to add some beat in here and adjust the grab like this. After you do that, you can click on the photo or videos and go to animation and add the swing bottom animations under the in category. This one. Click on the check icon, and now you can go to effect, video effects, go to the nightclub category, and then add the rebound swing effect. This one. Click on a check icon and adjust it so that it only applied to the second photo. Now add keyframes, one at the start, adjust the speed and size to 100, and the other one at the end of the effect, and make it all the way to 0. Click on a check icon, and now you can click on grabs and choose the rebound out. Sorry, this one. Click on a check icon, and next you can add the second effect, which is the shake effect. So go to the video effects again and find shake. Click on a check icon, and again let's add two keyframes, one at the start. Sorry. Adjust the speed and intensity to 100, and the second one adjust it to all the way to 0. Click on a check icon, and now click on graphics again and choose linear, adjust, add beat and adjust it like this. Click on a check icon, and now you are done. You can just repeat this step for the rest of the clip. So this is the zoom and shake tutorial result. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.